So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I've told you earlier that every weekend I'll come up with my book recommendation, the podcast that I listen, the TV shows that I watch, and today is Friday. So we will try to break down a Chanakya Niti that I have bought earlier. So this video is going to be very short and simple. I'll record this video in a few minutes. So without wasting any time, we should directly dive into the Chanakya Niti. Let's begin. So basically, Chanak was an advisor to the first emperor of Mauryan called Chandragupta, and also been considered to the architect of the rise of his power. Matlab, it is very much important to identify Chanak as an Indian guy because of his cultural significance. Also, he's a father of economics and political science, you already know it. And if I talk about Western culture, in Western culture, he has been referred to an Indian Machiavelli. मतलब जिन लोगों को नहीं पता मैकियावेली कौन था, यू कैन गूगल इट राइट आफ्टर दिस वीडियो. मैकियावेली वाज एन इटालियन डिप्लोमेट, और भाई क्या लेवल का कंपैरिजन था इन दोनों का, बहुत खतरनाक काम करके गए ये दोनों. सो आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू चाणक. आई थिंक वी शुड स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो एंड डायरेक्टली टॉक अबाउट दैट बुक. सो हियर इज अ बुक Chanakya Niti. It is published by Tulsi Publication, and in 2019 when I was traveling to Amritsar, वहाँ पे दिल्ली स्टेशन पे I bought this book and I have read this book several times. Whenever I feel stuck in life, I directly go to Chanakya Niti because he has penned down all the secrets of life in single book. So there are total 8 chapters in this book, and in each chapter there are 10 to 12 verses or couplets, I would say. So we will start with chapter 1, और मैं इसमें specifically my favorite verses I'll talk about that. So I think we should start with my favorite verse from chapter 1, and here it is. A wise man must marry a girl of high breed even if she is ugly in physical appearance. He should not fall for a girl of low upbringing due to her physical charm. And the best way to choose your life partner is to select from the family of equal status. और इसका साफ मतलब है कि, एंड मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ पर्सनली, आपने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत बार ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि वेन एवर यू फाइंड समवन अट्रैक्टिव एट अ ग्लैंस, बट व्हेन यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू दैट पर्सन यू फील कि यार इसमें वो बात ही नहीं है. तो जो फिजिकल चार्म होता है, इट कैन चार्म यू फॉर अ मिनट, फॉर अ सेकेंड, और फॉर एन आवर, और फॉर अ डेज, बट it does not last long. Eternal beauty is the number one priority that you should have, and also status. Equal status leads to an equal stability and equal thoughts. This is simple fundamental answer, right? अब बहुत लोग कहेंगे कि भाई स्टेटस देख के थोड़ी ना ऐसा कोई करता है, बट भाई ये सब बातें साइड में रखो. Talk to straight, and you cannot deny his facts because he was a keen observant. जो भी इस बंदे ने कहा है, चाणक्य ने, on point. You cannot deny his facts. So this is the lesson you should take to your home. So we have talked about verse number 1. Now I am reading the verse number 2, and here it is. Let me tell you loudly. According to Chanak, a person of low origin can rise to become a fine gentleman of high rating through training and education. अब इसका साफ मतलब है कि भाई मैटर ही नहीं करता कि आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो, अनटिल और अनलेस आपकी वो जो ट्रेनिंग और एजुकेशन वाला पार्ट कांस्टेंट है. सो आई थिंक दीज टू वर्सेस विल इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर लाइफ इन अ डिफरेंट वे इफ यू पे 100% अटेंशन टुवर्ड दिस वीडियो. आई थॉट यू हैव लर्नड something from this video, and if you have learned, at least try to comment down below. I don't need your likes, I am not asking for subscription. All I need is your valuable comments and changes in your life. That's the ultimate goal that I'm having right now. See you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed that.